Lavaro Organic Kidney Tea is marketed as a herbal tea designed to support kidney health, flush out toxins, reduce water retention, and promote healthy urinary function. The marketing can make it sound like a natural kidney cleanse, but the real question is, what doesn't it tell you? Now, to be fair, drinking herbal tea can be a pleasant way to stay hydrated, and some herbs traditionally used in these products have been studied for their effects on urinary function. But that doesn't mean a tea can cleanse or repair your kidneys. What it does well, easy to consume. A tea can be a simple addition to your daily routine and contribute to overall fluid intake. Contains herbal ingredients. Depending on the exact formula, it may contain herbs traditionally associated with urinary or digestive wellness. Where the hype falls apart, your kidneys already filter your blood. Healthy kidneys naturally remove waste and excess fluid from your body. You don't need a tea to flush out toxins. It's not a treatment for kidney disease. Herbal tea shouldn't be used to treat kidney stones, infections, chronic kidney disease, or other medical conditions. More urination doesn't necessarily mean detoxification. Some herbs can have diuretic effects, meaning you may urinate more. That isn't the same thing as improving kidney health. So, should you buy Lavaro Organic Kidney Tea? Short answer, maybe as a beverage, but not as a kidney treatment. If you enjoy herbal tea and like the ingredients, it may be fine as part of a healthy routine. But don't buy it expecting it to detoxify or repair your kidneys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.